Hi, today we're going to look at DJI Mic's last generation of mics. This was the mini version, which recently went on sale on Amazon a few months ago. Just getting a chance to look at it now. So this is just a single mic and receiver. Let's get rid of that, take a look at this. Basic packaging, seems a bit tight. From the top. A bit of information on the back. Just the way it talks about the microphone, blah blah blah, 40 hours operation. You can take a look, pause it if you like, and read it yourself in your own time. Standard information, nothing special. Nothing else in the box. Get rid of that. Some paperwork. So we've got paperwork in here. Pretty good quality material here, not the usual cheap plastic, but there you have it. Some sort of stickers, if you're into stickers, not me, get rid of that. Okay, and safety guidelines, quick start guide. Again, it's one of those that folds out and take a while. You can just look at it yourself, pause the screen if you want to see it. I most likely just want to show you the English one. Information there. So as you know, you can connect these microphones to phones or cameras. This has got cameras there. Whether it's Android, whether it's Apple, you can connect to either. Look at that later. Just looking at the actual mic itself. Again, good quality materials. Very strong adhesive. This is good. It comes with a bag. Good quality bag. It's not a hard box, but very good feel. Nothing interesting there. Get out. And finally, we have the camera. There's mic, sorry, and anything else in there. Very nice bag, by the way. It even has I think a little compartments inside as well, which will be useful later on. Just keep these separate. So everything's so well packed. The adhesive is really strong. Either that or I'm weak. Yeah. Take a look at this first. So this is what houses the actual microphone. It's got a sticker to get rid of. Everything's all packed here. Stickers everywhere. There we are. Gives it a premium feel. Good weight on it. So it's pretty much the microphone here. Let's open it later. So shall we take a look? Why not? Has a magnet option. Very good. So you have the clip and a magnet. It's very good. And the pins here help it charge. So this actually charges by Type-C USB cable, and once you pop it in here, it charges via the actual box here, the housing. But the problem is you can't charge this directly. You have to have this. If you lose this, you won't be able to charge this. That's simple. This can be charged independently, as you can see. And same, so you have two of these. So two of these, I'm assuming this is the receiver. Hold on a second. This can connect directly to a phone or a camera with Type-C connection. You have that option there. Otherwise, probably a wireless connection. Is it easy to come off? Slides in easily. Does it slide out easily? It's a bit stiff, maybe because it's new. But it does slide out eventually. Quite stiff there. You see it's flashing everywhere, so it comes pre-charged, some sort of pre-charge, I don't know how much. Take care of these pins. Before we go into this in more detail, I just want to look at the other accessories that came with it. Get it off camera, no distraction. Okay, that's the auxiliary cable, and take this off. This is the Type-C to Type-A USB cable. So most likely people will use this to connect it to their computer to get the audio files of the actual mics. I'm assuming it does save everything on the actual mic. I haven't actually used this yet. This is just the unboxing. And these are those irritating things that everyone likes, fluffy things to put on the actual mic to disguise it. It's supposed to be good for the wind, so that, I'm assuming, clips onto here somewhere. Yep, looks like the top. See there? This is the actual mic there. This would clip onto the top, like so. And there you have your animal looking mic. That's that for now. We'll take a look in more detail later.